Wondering how you can start making money with your content? In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 ways that you can start monetizing your content creation efforts. And number 5 is extremely powerful and you don't even need a ton of followers. So let's jump in. The quickest way to start monetizing your content today is with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you as a creator promoting the products and services of other brands through your content. When promoting these products and services, you would use what's called an affiliate link. That link is specific to you, and when someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you as a creator gets a commission for the sale. I do this on my channel because it allows me to share the products and services that I love to use when creating content and while making money in the process. It is very passive in nature and it's very easy to get started. All you have to do is sign up for a handful of affiliate programs, create links to the products and services that you use, put them in the description of your videos, and then you can start to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, the easiest way to monetize your content is with ad revenue. And here's a simple explanation for how this works. Most social media platforms make their money through brands advertising on the platform. We as creators create content for free on these platforms in hopes to grow our audience and our influence. The platform then charges brands advertising fees to place their ads before, during, and all around our content. And to incentivize creators to create even more content on the platform shares some of the revenue with the creators. In order to receive ad revenue, you have to meet the minimum requirements for each of the platforms. And here on YouTube, in order to join what's called the YouTube Partner Program, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. Once you are eligible, generating ad revenue is really simple. You start to get paid just for people watching your videos, and the more views that you get, the more money that you can make as well. One of the most lucrative ways to make money and monetize your content is through brand deals or sponsorships. Chances are you've watched a video from a creator that was sponsored. That simply just means that the creator was compensated in some form or fashion for either mentioning the brand, highlighting its products and services, or even dedicating an entire video to that specific brand. Another way to think about this is influencer marketing. As you grow your audience, you gain influence. Brands love this because they can use you as the creator to do the promoting of their products and services on their behalf. And in exchange, what you can expect from a brand deal or a sponsorship is free product, discounts, sponsorship payments, or even long-term contracts, which can be very lucrative. Once you've built up an audience, it is not uncommon to generate 4, 5, and even 6 figures from a single brand deal. The key here is to make sure that the brands that you're promoting actually help your audience. You want to make sure that it's congruent, that it's valuable, and not just promoting some brand that has absolutely nothing to do with the audience that you're trying to help. If you've ever wanted to sell your own products or services, you definitely can use your content to help generate more sales with that. Over time, as you build trust and credibility with your audience, they will naturally want to buy from you. That's just how it works if you're providing value. Now, there's a ton of different things that you can sell. You can sell physical products and merchandise, or you can sell digital products. And selling physical or digital products online is very easy, especially with all of the e-commerce platforms that are available on the market. Digital products tend to be very profitable and scalable, especially for something like an online course, because it only needs to be created once, but can be sold an unlimited amount of times in the future. Selling your own products allows you to have more control. It also allows you to build your own brand, potentially making even more money than maybe selling someone else's products. What's also great is you don't have to have a lot of followers to start making money today. If you have the right product and it serves your audience well, you can literally sell to them and have people buy your product right now today. For one of the most powerful ways that you can monetize your content is by generating leads for your service-based business. By implementing a very intentional content strategy, you can grow an audience of potential clients and customers that want to work with you. When that happens, there's no limit to the amount of money that you can make, because then the content is doing the work for you. In fact, I would say if you are someone who has a business, you are completely missing out if you're not creating content online. If that is you, the good news is I am here to help. Check out this video right here where I walk you through step by step how to create your content marketing strategy. This will help you to monetize your content and to drive more leads, customers, and clients into your business. Thanks so much for watching this video. Until next time, I will see you later.